How about a Corvette to check out here? Unique, especially in classics. Good looking car too, 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This is a Z51 2LT package car. Original mile car also, just a little over 24,000 miles on this one. And a color you won't see every day. Long Beach Red, just a little over 2,000 were made in this color. Kalahari leather interior. Of course, a 6.2 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission. We'll get into some more of the options here in a bit. But first, if you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the nose of it. Riding on the Z51 style split spoke wheels. Continental is contact sport radials. There you can see the Kalahari interior. You're also going to notice GT seats in it. This particular one does also have the performance data and the video recorder, as well as the one-piece removable transparent top, which I have in the cargo area. You can see it with the pictures with it in and out, just so you know. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It also has Corsa exhaust, so a little bit of bark to it at startup. A couple little spots where you see there's previous owners had a little touch up, maybe just some real small spots. Notice one there, a couple over by the driver's door. So a little bit of touch up until it's taken care of. And check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You'll see the undersides, interior, engine bay. Like I said earlier, with the top in, top out. There'll be a picture of the RPO code sticker, so if you want to see the RPO codes, there's a picture of that sticker in the still pictures. Something else you're going to notice in the interior when we get in there, you're going to see that it does have the 8-inch Chevy MyLink infotainment screen with the Bose 9-speaker audio system. Also heads-up display. So of course, nicely equipped car with that 2LT package and the Z51 on top of that, and that 8-speed automatic transmission. Also some carbon fiber accents, as you can see, in the interior, as well as that splitter up front if you noticed, and then on the side skirts here. Take a look at the leather seats. Not much wear to those really at all. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. Start it up so you can hear it run. There's your exact miles, 24,552. No check engine lights, warning lights, service lights, anything like that. Just that flashing one. That is a seat belt. I did not have that on. And you can hear that exhaust toned down after startup. Of course, a good sounding exhaust, kind of menacing sound. Good fit for this car, no doubt. Listen to that. Alright, I'm going to slip over here. Let's pop the hood. Actually, I can probably do this one one-handed.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice looking engine bay, look at this. Hood liner does not appear that this has really been driven in much for any sort of inclement weather. And look at this engine bay. It's colored to match. Be a fun one. Take to any of your local shows, cruise-in, roll-ins. Looks good with the hood up too. ...2017 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 2LT package, Long Beach red, Kalahari interior. What a rich looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. First, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.